Yo, 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 check it out. This is my Eureka lemon bush or lemon tree, whatever you want to call it. But this is 2 years in the making, and I'm finally getting lemons. And I cannot express how excited I am. Check that out. Got a bloom here. And right here, it's about to form a lemon right here. Then we got more blooms on this side here. Oh yeah, I cannot wait. I'm super excited for this. Oh yeah, it's been a long time coming, y'all. And I'm gonna take y'all along the process. And it is a hot day out. Very hot day. Peace.